Hi, it's Anna. In this short tutorial, I will show you one of my favorite nail art techniques, one-stroke gel painting. We will paint roses. And here are colors I will be using. Red, black, and orange. All are part of my line Blue Amber nails. They are super pigmented and they give you perfect coverage with one thin layer. And they are just perfect for one stroke, traditional painting, stamping, or even ombre with sponges. First, I start from blending black and red together on an angled brush. Then I paint top petals. Roses are built with layers, and it is really important. Once you complete one layer, you cure it for 30 seconds before applying petals of the second layer. One stroke rose is practically a series of classic petals plus a little U-shaped petal and half leaves or comma petals. It is very important to have here a higher percentage of black on the brush and less of, in this case, red. In this way, you will be able to see layer on top of another layer. It's very important to have a shadow of the black behind the red. This is what gives depth and separates layers of petals between each other. In the end, it's up to you how many flowers you create on one nail. You can create full bigger roses and smaller ones on the side. And in general, one stroke looks beautiful on any kind of background. I am using beautiful cat-eye gel polish from Enchanted collection, also from Blue Amber Nails. Additionally, you can add also leaves. Leaves can be created with green and black or green and yellow, but in this case, I decided to use black and orange. I just find it will give me nicer and more delicate composition. It is very important that you don't overdo it with the quantity of leaves. It's always good to use odd numbers and also smaller rather than too big leaves. You want to make sure that the attention goes to roses and leaves are just completing the composition. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial, and if you're searching for really good gels to paint with one stroke or to stamp, check out the link in the description below. And if you want to learn how to paint with one stroke technique, I created an online course available also on my website. I will post the link below. I also teach in-person courses around the US. All of the information you can find on my website nailartbyanya.com. You can find this link also in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.